scared and traumatic cat. To be honest, she's very specific when it comes to, meet people or greet people. उसको जो पसंद है वो उन्हीं के पास जाएगी.
Yo, 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 it's Pets of Mumbai.
I think 1 year ago I met Boo. मैं क्लिनिक से वापस आ रही थी. एक छोटी सी टिनी टाइनी सी किटन मेरे बिल्डिंग के नीचे खेल रही थी. बट मैंने देखा शी वॉज अंडर वेट एंड उसको काफ़ी सारी इंजरीज भी थी. आई थिंक कुछ शी मस्ट हैव गॉन थ्रू सम फाइट और समथिंग. फिर मुझे हमारे वॉचमैन ने बताया कि किसी ने उसको बिल्डिंग के नीचे छोड़ दिया है बिकॉज दे कुडंट कीप हर और मे बी समथिंग एल्स. फिर बाद में मैंने उसको देखा. इतने इंजरीज़ के बाद भी शी वॉज प्लेइंग अराउंड. शी वॉज वेरी गूफी एंड नॉटी किटन and I was wearing those big bell bottoms. Then she followed bell bottoms and she entered the lift. That was quite surprising and I was shocked, like wow. Then I got her home and we thought maybe we'll take care of her थोड़े दिनों के लिए. Oh yes, and give her away, but that never happened. So now Boo is my baby and she's my family. Maybe but Boo, she's very scared and traumatic cat. तो वो ज़्यादा मिलती नहीं है until unless you get her some treats. फिर वो बहुत क्लिंगी हो जाती है और वो आपको बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ेगी. I think there's a very funny story behind it. तो एक दिन मैं बहुत बीमार थी and I could not get up from my bed. फिर आई सॉ कि एक पूरा किबल का ट्रेल था मेरे रूम में. मेरे बेड पे भी बहुत सारी कैट फूड था. आई वाज वंडरिंग ये किसने रखा. देन आई लुक्ड अप ऑन इंटरनेट और मुझे पता चला कि जब आप बीमार होते हो तो कैट आपके लिए खाना लाती है. इज़न्ट दैट सो फन एंड नाइस. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, शी इज़ वेरी स्पेसिफिक व्हेन इट कम्स टू मीट पीपल और ग्रीट पीपल. उसको जो पसंद है वो उन्हीं के पास जाएगी. शी इज सच अ लिटिल दीवा. ओ माय गॉड, शी इज़ क्वाइट जजमेंटल. तो बू का एक थिंग है, इफ़ शी कैन मे बी व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट, शी कैन सेंस योर एनर्जीज एंड इफ़ शी थिंक्स कि इसने मेरी मम्मी को कभी भी हर्ट किया है, guys be careful, she'll come after you. Yeah, when I left India for really long time and when I was back, Boo was damn clingy and she was purring all the time. She would not leave me even for a minute. And then I got to know, yeah, I love Boo. Boo loves me. I think Kanika, you know it very well क्या होता है जब डोरबेल बजता है. बू सीधा भाग जाती है और छुप जाती है 4 घंटों के लिए. बिल्कुल. आई थिंक वी ऑल हैव हर्ड दैट यू आर चोजन बाय कैट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम. सो कभी हम कैट को चूज़ नहीं करते. इट्स ऑलवेज कैट हमें चूज़ करती है. इफ़ यू आर लकी इनफ, प्लीज़ कीप इट. भले ही आपके करंट सर्कमस्टांसेस ना हो टू गेट अ पेट और मे बी अडॉप्ट इट. But I think time heals everything. I want to say, just don't shop. Adopt little babies who are already homeless. Give them nice pity love. Before adopting, even if you are trying to play with cat, try to be little careful, because cats can be sometimes unpredictable. They can scratch you, they can bite you. So first things first, जब आप cat को approach करेंगे तो बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. लेट देम स्नीफ. थोड़ा सा आपके बारे में कैट्स को फेमिलियर होने दो. और इन केस आपको कैट बाइट या कैट स्क्रैच हो जाता है तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकती है. जैसे हो सकता है कैट स्क्रैच फीवर या रेबीज़. तो आपको वैक्सीन लेना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. अगर इफ़ यू आर पेट लवर एंड यू लाइक टू पेट और लाइक feed some strays, make sure you are ARV vaccinated. Please don't feed this little baby some roti and milk. You should know that cats, they don't have enzyme which can break down the milk in particular byproduct which we have. So milk is not an ideal situation for cat. But if there are certain affordable options, cat food options available in the market, and there are certain NGOs who can feed your cats. I'll share the number and details of the Feline Foundation. You can just contact them. I think there are very good supplements or like cat food available in market. But if you can't really afford it, आप एक egg खिला सकते हो, egg white या थोड़ा सा egg yolk खिला सकते हो. Curd diluted in water is also good option. Chicken, you can literally boil chicken, you can give them, they'll love it. Fish, tuna fish, anything else you can give it. Just don't give them milk and bread. First things first, like try to adopt them. But if you're not in capacity to adopt stray, you can do one thing. You can take them to nearest NGO Vet Foundation. Like there are so many NGO institutes or organization जो काफ़ी affordable prices में आपको cat care provide करते हैं. And if you can afford, nowadays neutering cat is very cheap, so you can take them to such foundation and get them neutered. That's the best thing you can do for stray cats. So Boo is little underweight, maybe because that's how her breed is. So Boo को हम 3 time meal देते हैं, 2 times dry food and 1 time wet food. I'm not very sure about it, but I've heard you can neuter them at earliest like 6 or 8, 7 months. And that's good for them because cats, they go in repetitive heat cycle every 3 to 4 weeks. So, and they can get pregnant, they can give birth to multiple litter at the same time. People say like cats are very selfish. They are not. If you say that, you have never loved by a cat. Cats are quite clingy. If you try to build that particular sort of bond with them, they can love you till eternity. I've seen cats growing up with kids like till they die. Just shower them with lots of love. That's it. I missed her every day when I was not here. When I was back, she acted very clingy. वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुझे ऐसे समझ में आया that she truly missed me. There's one more thing. I think more than Boo, I needed her for love. I was going through a lot when I got Boo home, and she just healed me one way or other. So yeah, it's lovely having teeny tiny kitten at home. So I hope Pets of Mumbai you had fun with me and Boo, and I want to say that whoever is watching this video, please try to take care of your all stray cats. They are lovely and they can heal you. They have that much of power that they can literally heal something they never broken. Bye bye. Like, share and subscribe to Pets of Mumbai.